Good morning, all of you. I hope that you are safe, secure. I hope that you understand the concept of profit sharing ratio, how we calculate gaining and sacrifice ratio. You understand the concept of goodwill. You understand the concept of IFR. You understand the concept of WCR, concept of how we prepare revaluation account. What do you mean by general reserve shown in the book? What do you mean by it can be continued? So these are all the things we have done till now. Now today I am taking the few of the questions which are very important for the board point of view. Means these are questions which are there in the board examination. These are questions normally comes for 3 marks, 4 marks and for 6 marks. You need to understand that is an important question which we are doing right now, and understand the question language of the question so that you can able to understand the concept. Now it's an important question for the board's point of view. So please, it's my humble request to all of you, understand the term, read the read the question carefully, and then according to demand of the question, what the questions ask. sorry. Suppose the question says need to prepare a revaluation account, need to prepare partners capital account, need to prepare balance sheet. You understand the concept of the question, what the questions ask about. क्वेश्चन में क्या चाह रहा है, क्या पूछा आ रहा है. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. तो रीडिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नॉट ओनली only solving the question. First you understand, read the question carefully, and then on the basis of your reading find what questions is asking about. Okay, what are the contents which are given the question. So till now we already done the basic step, all the basic step. Now we practiced so many questions. Now today we are practicing some of the questions which are very important for the board's point of view. I hope you understand clearly. In any case you find any problem in that, please do write to me because it's an important part. Now we start. This is a question. First question is, now read the question carefully and I'm reading for you in case you cannot able to understand any of the point. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4:3. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 19 is given as follows. Now in balance sheet they say sundry creditors is given 40,000, outstanding expenses 15,000, general reserve 75,000, and the balance of capital accounts is given A 4 lakh, B 3 lakh, C 2 lakh. I hope clear. General reserve 75,000, capital accounts A 4 lakh, B 3 lakh, C 2 lakh. More on the asset side is given cash in bank 40,000, debtors 2 lakh 10,000, stock 3 lakh, furniture 60,000, 60, plant and machinery 4 lakh 20,000. The total balance sheet is 10 lakh 30,000. Now additional information which given the question, listen carefully. On 1st April 19 they changed their ratio to 4:3:2. It's clear? They changed the ratio to 4:3:2. Furniture will be taken at 80% value. Now understand this part. Furniture will be taken 80% of the value. Whatever furniture is given the question, we take 80%. It means 20% is the depreciation. Now why 20% is decreasing? Now understand term. Stock appreciate 20%. Okay. Plant and machinery value at 4 lakh. Outstanding expenses increased by rupees 13,000. Now this one also is expense. Outstanding expenses increased by 13,000. Next say partners agreed that altered value. Now question says that partners agreed that altered value are not to be recorded in the books. Means whatever changes are occurring in the books, it cannot be recorded. Whatever changes are there, it cannot be recorded in the books. Okay, the partners are happy with the old values. Now and the books, and they do not want to distribute the general reserve. Means what are general reserve given in the question, they do not want to distribute that. So and treatment is same like we need to find gaining and sacrificing because they do not want to disturb the general reserve, or simple meaning say that they do not want to distribute the general reserve. Okay. Now pass single adjusting entry and prepare balance sheet of the new firm. Question says that you have to pass single adjusting entry. Need to pass only a single adjusting entry and prepare balance sheet. Now this is a question are there. Look, it's a big question. Okay, you are thinking that oh my god, this is a big question, how will we solve it? Now see a simple question, because they say pass a single adjusting entry, but we need to prepare some working notes first. Now that working notes, now learn the things how you adapt it quickly. because we need to solve. This question is very common for 4 marks. Now how we will do it? Or this question common for 3 to 4 marks. This question can come for 3 marks also. The question can come for 4 marks also. So you need to understand that how we solve it, how much time you devote for 3 to 4 marks question, or how early you can solve it correctly as per the demand which is asked by CBSE or ICSE. Okay, wherever this question can be asked. Now understand a term where the question says that need to pass single adjusting entry and prepare balance sheet of the new firm. Now how we solve it? First, I hope many of you can find, now do it first, find the gaining and sacrificing, prepare working note first and find out who is gaining and who is sacrificing. Who is gaining and who is sacrificing, find out first. You know that they say that the 3 partners are there, X, Y and Z. Okay, to be right, X, Y and Z, their old ratios given 5, 4, 3, so 5 by 12, 4 by 12 and 3 by 12, and the new ratio, we minus. How can you find the gaining ratio? Old minus new, then we find a sacrifice ratio. The old is 5 by 12, 4 by 12, 3 by 12 and the new ratio is given the question 4 by 9, 3 by 9 and 2 by 9. It means new ratio is 5 is to 4 is to 3 and the old ratio is 5 is to 4 is to 3 and the new ratio is 4, 3, 2. Now find who is gaining and who is sacrificing. Perfect, now do it fast. Okay, 36 will be the LCM. It means that if you find that not sure who is gaining, he is gaining, the X is gaining and B is sacrificing. Oh, this part is clear. How we find? Old minus new. Okay, so Z share is decreased by 136 and X share is increased by 1 by 36. So it means that X will be gaining and Z will be sacrificing. Is that clear now? Next part. I told you last time also in the last video how to calculate revaluation account orally or without making revaluation account, because the question doesn't say you need to prepare revaluation account. अगर आप बना भी देते हो तो it doesn't lose your marks, but you spend, ठीक है, without taking 3 to 4 minutes in that. So why waste your time when the question doesn't say prepare revaluation account? You need to prepare revaluation account when the question asks about that. To be specific on the part. The question doesn't say, question says they pass adjusting entry and need to prepare balance sheet of the new firm. They doesn't say prepare revaluation account or prepare partners capital account. So you need to understand that how you do the question as per demand, as per the question asked, or in ticket as per the question asked in CBSE exams. Okay, the first thing is here. Now check the part. We are preparing revaluation account roughly. Furniture first, as given the furniture is. Now check the part. They say in question they say that fixed asset is reduced by, first thing, furniture is to be taken 80% of its value. Furniture be taken at 80% value. The furniture old value is 60,000. Furniture old value is now it decreased by 20%. So if we make furniture it decreased by 20% means 12,000. We make sign negative like this. Bracket sign mean negative. Furniture reduced by 12,000 is an expense for the firm. All expenses will be shown on negative side. All income will be shown on the positive sides. Okay, the furniture is decreased by 12,000. Next is plant and machinery. Check plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. As per the question, I hope the question is in front of you only. Plant and machinery, they say that is valued at 4 lakh. The earlier value of plant and machinery is 4 lakh 20,000. It means furniture or plant and machinery also decreased by 20,000. Where the old value is 4 lakh 20,000, the new value of furniture is 4 lakh. It means it decreased by 20,000. We write negative 20,000 in bracket. Okay, next part is stock. Now what's the thing telling about the stock? Point number B, stock be appreciated by 20%. Stock is increasing by 20%. Okay, the old value of stock is 3 lakh, is increased by 20%. It means increased by 60,000 rupees. I hope this is clear. Next is the outstanding expenses increased by 13,000. The outstanding expenses are increased by 13,000. We write 13,000 increased by. It means it's an expense for us. I hope it's clear how we prepare revaluation account. But here I am preparing revaluation account orally or saying in a significant manner so that we can save our time. Furniture decreased by 12,000. Plant and machinery depreciated by depreciation by 20,000, stock is increased by 60,000, and outstanding expenses increased by 30,000. So all the expenses are put in bracket side, all the incomes are in positive sides without bracket. So if you deduct this in, it's coming about 60, 33, 35, 45, 15,000 is a positive balance. It means we get a profit of rupees 15,000. Obviously, we get a profit of rupees 15,000. Now, check the question. There any undistributed profit is there in the question? Yes, the question says general reserve, and the partner do not want to distribute the general reserve. Or simple mean they do not want to disturb the general reserve. They do not want to means whatever the value of general reserve given, they want to show in the books. They do not want to distribute the general reserve. So means the general reserve also there 75,000. So it's a revaluation profit. It's a revaluation profit, and this one is general reserve. Now you know that. What we do for general reserve? We generally distribute it. But in this question they say partners do not want to alter the value of the assets and liability. Means what are the changes which are occur in the balance sheet, they do not want to show these changes. So in that case, revaluation profit will not be distributed to partners capital account in old ratio. What we do in that case, we need to adjust it. Now how we adjust? Tell me first. We've already done it. How we adjust? Okay, good. Gaining to sacrificing. The partner who gains, he will pay. The partner who sacrifices, he will get. In this case, they also say general reserve do not want to distribute. It means that we need to adjust. We cannot distribute that. We need to adjust them. We need to adjust them, both of them, because we are not saying distribute. We need to adjust them because they say the general reserve cannot be distributed, or the partners do not want to show the altered value in the balance sheet. So in that case, when the questions specific of this thing, partner do not want to show the changes in the balance sheet, we cannot distribute revaluation profit. So what we do with the revaluation profit, we need to adjust it. The same thing is given about general reserve. Partners do not want to distribute general reserve. So what do we do in that case? We need to adjust it. Now, you already done it. I hope the working note is clear. This part is clear, gaining, sacrificing. Now, should I rub this? Perfect. Have you noted down? Good. Now, how we find the adjusting entry? We need to pass adjusting entry. Mark it in your rough copy, in whatever you are. Working note 1, this is a working note 1, and we are making working note 2. So this is a working note 1 and this is working note 2. Now, how we pass the entry? Is this sorry, it's not working note 2, it's a part of working note 1 only. Now, adjusting entry. Who is from the change in profit ratio? You find that who is getting? Z is getting. The Z will pay. So we write Z's capital account debit to find out who is getting. Sorry, X is getting. So we write X capital account debit to Z's capital account. How much X? How much total we need to adjust? 90,000. How much Z is sacrificing? 90,000. He is sacrificing 1 by 36. Obvious here, because we already found out how we get 1 by 36. So 90,000 divided by 36, we get 2,500. 2,500. Now we write being adjusting entry pass, being adjusting entry pass for general reserve and revaluation profit, being adjusting entry pass regarding revaluation and general reserve. So in this case, you need to find that X will pay 2,500 to Z, or Z will get because his capital is credited. तो उसको मिलना चाहिए. How much he will get? 2,500. From whom he will get? From X. I hope it's clear. Perfect. How you make? Note down the working note. From this is the important part. We need to find. This will come later in the question. To mark it, note down this one. I'm making a star so that when we make the new balance sheet, it will take place. It will come. So first thing we done it, we adjust the revaluation entry. We pass the adjusting entry. X capital account W Z capital account. This is the first question. They say pass adjusting entry. We pass S capital account W Z capital account. X will pay to Z. Okay. How will 90,000 1 by 36. So 90,000 is the combined sum of revaluation profit and general reserve. Is that clear now? Now, second part, they say prepare balance sheet. Balance sheet of the new firm. Okay. I hope you know down. I'm rubbing it. Balance sheet of the new firm. Now, how we prepare the balance sheet of new firm? Need to make the format first. Okay. We write over here. So this is balance sheet as on 1st April as on 19 when the new profit share issue came into existence, liabilities, amount, assets, amount in rupees. Okay. Now check your question. They say in the question specifically mentioned that partners do not want to alter the values. So whatever the value is over there, we write to copy the same. So sundry characters mentioned in the book. Sundry characters is mentioned 40,000. Okay. Next thing is outstanding expenses. Now, how much outstanding expense amount is? Tell me first. What is the outstanding expense amount is? Now, most of the people say it's 28,000, 15,000 old value, 13,000, it increases. They'll be 28,000. No, mark the question, see the question first. It mentioned that partners do not want to alter the value. Partners doesn't want to change the value. They do not want to show the alter value in the books. Is it clear? It's the important part. It's mentioned here. There are बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं? They write 28,000. They especially write 15,000 the old value, 13,000 increases. It increases to 28,000. It's wrong. Because specifically in question they ask that partners do not want to show the revised value in the books. So this is an important part. See it again. बहुत ध्यान से देखो इसको. It's important. It's mentioned over here. Partners do not want to show the alter value. So what is the old value of outstanding expenses? It's mentioned in question 15,000. Now general reserve 75,000. Now Mr. Well, say sir, general reserve तो हमने बांट दिया. We distribute general reserve. No, we adjust general reserve because they say the partner do not want to distribute a general reserve. Question में specifically mention है partners do not want to distribute general reserve. So we write general reserve right? Old value 75,000. Okay, and we write now important part here capital accounts X, Y, and Z. Now see that capital. The old capital X is 4 lakh. For Y is given the question 3 lakh and for Z is 2 lakh. Now we make a star in the previous one. Check the star where we make the star. It means that X capital account will be debited. X will pay to Z how much? 2,500. So from X we minus 2,500 and in Z we add 2,500. Is the important part. Listen carefully because we make a star when we pass the adjacency entry. X capital will be debited. Come hogi because he is paying to whom? He is paying to Z. And Z capital will be increased by 2,500 because he is getting the amount from X through adjacent entry. We already done it. Listen carefully. Check the page where we pass the entry. It's mentioned here. Entry is mentioned the X capital account to Z capital. X will pay 2,500 to Z. X capital is 2,500. We need to subtract. So 4 lakh minus 2,500 is given 3 lakh 97,500. No change in the Y capital. 3 lakh same. And Z capital is increased by 2,500 rupees. We write 2 lakh 2,500. Okay. Now check the asset side. Check the asset side now. As given the question, cash at bank. Check what's the amount of cash at bank is given in the question is 40,000. Then next part, debtor. Debtor is also mentioned 2,10,000. Perfect. Next part, see the question, stock 30,000. Oh sorry, stock 3 lakh. Partner do not want to alter the value. It's mentioned in the question. Partner do not want to alter the value. Furniture 60,000. 60,000. And the next part, the saying the question, plant and machinery. Plant and machinery, 4,20,000. Partner do not want to alter value. Now check whether balance sheet matching or not. Yes, 10,30,000. 10,30,000. Okay, this is how we make the question. How we solve the question. Now, important part. Have you noticed one thing in that? Now tell me, what do you notice in that? When you make the balance sheet, we just copy the balance sheet only. Only one thing change. Tell me what? Only one thing change. That's everything is same. You compare with the old balance sheet, everything is same. Because they say that partners do not want to record the altered value. It's mentioned in the question, partners do not want to record the altered values. Now understand term. See that. This mentioned question, partners do not want to alter the values. Now what is the change in that? Have you noticed one thing? Only the capital account change. Only the change in capital account. That's everything same. Because we need to pass adjacent. X capital is debited by 2,500 and Z capital is credited by 2,500. Only the capital account, change in capital account is there. Rest everything same. Only those capital account is changed where the partner who is gaining, the partner who is sacrificing. Rest everything same. So this is an easy question. When the question is silent about this thing, when the question says do not want to alter the value, we need to copy the old balance sheet, but only need to change where the adjacent entity is passed, whether generous is to be distributed or not, whether any losses, generous is a benefit, whether any losses given the question or not. See the question first. I hope this question is clear. Note down fast how we make the balance sheet. Perfect. Now we do the next question. The next question we are taking here. Note down the question. It's a very important part. It's a very important part. Okay, this question normally comes for 6 to 8 marks in board exam. I am taking the board question. This question comes in 2017. So listen carefully. And you are learning the new concept in this. It's called adjustment capital. Now listen carefully because this adjustment capital is very important for admission, retirement. Do you understand that? When next chapters are there, admission, retirement. This topic is very important and the same logic is applied in that also. So if you learn in this category, it's easier for you to understand in admission and in cases regarding retirement of partner. Now what's the question is? Okay, Ram, now I'm adding over here adjustment capital because the concept says adjustment of capital. Now how I will teach you. Rest of the question is same as you done previously also. So please understand them carefully because it's simple part, but only new terms is here. It's called adjustment capital. The question is Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 4 partners. There are 4 partners. Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. On 1st April 2016, their balance sheet as follows. Their balance sheet was given and the balance sheet was as follows. Now note down the balance sheet. Capital accounts. Now we move forward towards liability side. See that 4 partners. Capital is given Ram 4 lakh. Note down please. And I added the screenshot if the question is not clear. If you cannot see the question carefully, I am dictating it for you. So note down please properly. Capital of Ram is 4 lakh. Mohan 4 lakh 50,000. Capital of Sohan is 2 lakh 50,000. Hari capital is 2 lakh. Total capital is 13 lakh. Then workman compensation reserve. Worksman compensation reserve is given the question 1,20,000. In asset side is given fixed assets 9 lakh, current assets 5,20,000. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now total is 14,20,000. 14,20,000. Can you able to see it? Okay. Now from the above date, listen carefully. From the above date, partner decided to share future profit in the ratio of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 is the new ratio is given question. Now from the above date, the partner decided to share future profit in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 1,80,000. You know that what we've done with the goodwill because we cannot show goodwill in the books of account. So what we'll do in that goodwill of the firm is 1,80,000. Partners agreed on the following cases. The partners, these are the cases. First thing is the claim for worksman compensation has been estimated at rupees 1,50,000. Mark star over here. Earlier the workman commercial reserve 1,20,000. Now workman commercial reserve is 1,50,000. Next second point they say that adjust the capital of the partner is a new thing, new concept. Adjust the capital of the partner in the new profit sharing ratio by opening current accounts. Now they say adjust the capital of the partner in their new profit sharing ratio by opening current accounts. Now listen carefully. This is a very important part. A new topic, new concept in this. They say adjust the capital. Now the new capital, the old capital is no more longer required. They say you need to adjust the capital, and for this purpose you need to open a current account. Now what is the meaning of this thing? I will tell you. When we solve the question, it's important part, understand term. Now listen the question. Workman commission reserve 1,20,000. Workman commission reserve given the question 1,20,000. अब किसी वर्कर के चोट लग गई, ठीक है, उसके यहाँ पे वो इंजर्ड हो गया. ही क्लेम फॉर 1,50,000. आपने कितना बनाया था WCR 120. Now claim कितना हो गया 150, means 30,000 more is expense for you or expense for the firm. It's clear? Last question is same. Goodwill is given 1,80,000. Now you don't do no need to pass entry because they don't say pass the entry. They say question say that prepare revaluation account. Note down the thing. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. It's a combined question. It's a big question that. That's why this question is important for 8 marks. It's a very important question for the 8 marks. They say need to prepare partners capital account, need to prepare prepare the revaluation account, partners capital account, second thing, and third part is you need to prepare balance sheet. Now how will do it? I hope you note down the question. Perfect. Note down the question, see the question part. Okay, now we're going to solve it. For this, I need to rub the board first. Now understand, read the question carefully again. Read the question carefully again. Now prepare the working note first. We need to prepare, before preparing revaluation account, we need to prepare working note first so that it will be easier for us. Now what is the working note? The first part say working note is, now find the gaining and sacrificing. Who is gaining and who is sacrificing? Because we need to calculate goodwill on the part. So means there are 4 partners, Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari. Ram old ratio is 4/10, 3/10, 2/10 and 1/10. I hope it's clear. Old ratio is 4/3, 4:3, 2:1, and new ratio is opposite of that 1/10, 2/10, 3/10 and 4/10. So we don't old minus new, we get a gaining or sacrificing. Now find out who is gaining, who is sacrificing. So in first part, if you see 3/10, R is sacrificing. He is sacrificing. He is sacrificing 1/10. He is also sacrificing. He is gaining 1/10, gaining, and Hari is also gaining. Minus 3/10 is gaining. So this part is clear. Who is gaining, who is sacrificing? I hope it's clear. Who is gaining here and who is sacrificing? Okay. Now check other part also. I hope it's clear. Question is clear now. Okay. Next part. Well, now what is the goodwill of the firm is given the question. Now goodwill of the firm is given the question. What is valued at? Now find, check the goodwill. What's the amount of goodwill given the question? What's the amount of goodwill given the question? Goodwill is 1,80,000. Goodwill is 1,80,000. I hope it's clear. Goodwill is 1,80,000. Now who is R is getting 3/10? Saying 3/10 in that. So 3/10 is 54,000. Okay, and is getting 1/10 is 18,000. तो those who are gaining, जो gain कर रहा है उसके शेयर में निकाल दो. 1,80,000. R is sacrificing 3/10, so he wants 50,000. इसे में I am losing, you have to pay to me. And M is sacrificing. Who is M? Tell me. Mohan. So Mohan is saving 18,000. So what is the NT you pass? Check me the NT, what do you pass? You pass Ram and Mohan will get from Sohan and Hari. So we write Sohan capital account debit, Hari capital account debit to Ram capital account to Mohan capital account. Okay, means 54,000, sorry, 18,000 will be paid by 18,000 will be paid by Sohan to Ram and Mohan, and 54,000 will be paid by Hari to Ram and Mohan. Now I'm making over star over here because we need that. NT will pass like this only, but I'm making star. So please note down star. Why I'm making star, I will tell you when I prepare capital account. To Ram and Mohan. To Ram is 54,000 and 18,000. I hope the question is clear. NT is clear. This we already done before also. How we pass the journal entry regarding adjustment, regarding adjusting entry. Being goodwill is adjusted. Being, what do we write? Being goodwill is adjusted. So this question is clear. Okay. Now let's move to revaluation account first. How we calculate revaluation account. Okay. Now next part is how we calculate revaluation account. Now revaluation account. Right here, make the formula revaluation account. Note down question with me because I have a less space, so I make one account in a one place only. After revaluation, I make partner's capital, and then third part is balance sheet. So note down the question with me, understand the concept. Okay, revaluation account, credit side, debit side, we write particular, we write amount over here, again we write particular, amount over here. Now, question says that, in question they mention that, first thing, check the only one entry is here regarding WCR, workman commission reserve. Now I will teach you concept regarding WCR, the concept regarding workman commission reserve. Case third, check my video in which I deal with WCR, workman commission reserve. Now, entry is WCR is 1 lakh. You create WCR. You created WCR 1,20,000. By worker ke chot lagi, he claimed 1,50,000. It means that you require 30,000 more is expense for you. So how we write? We write WCR account debit, workman commission reserve account debit to claim, or we write to worksman compensation claim. Now the claim is 1,50,000 and you created WCR 1,20,000. So we write through because the loss is a revaluation account. Revaluation account debit 30,000. Now in this question, the question doesn't ask about journal entry, but मैंने इसलिए किया कि you need to understand that. We already done it before. हमने पहले किया है. You understand that? And nobody asked question regarding this matter. I mean, it's all clear to you. आपको लोगों सबको समझ में आ गया है. Concept regarding WCR, concept regarding IFR. So WCR account debit, revaluation account debit to workman commission claim. Okay. Now the claim is write to worksman compensation claim account 30,000. No other information is given in the question. 30,000 is here. Now divide 30,000 because the loss is here. It has doesn't have any income. So we divide this loss between the partners. So by Ram capital account, by Mohan capital account, by Sohan capital account. I'm writing S so that you can understand that. by Hari capital account. Now divide this 30,000 in the ratio between Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari. So it's coming out 12,000, 9,000, 6,000, 3,000. 12,000 bear by Ram, 12,000. Now for Hari, find out 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. I hope it's clear. How we prepare WCR, how we prepare revaluation account. Now loss is here because you have a compensation reserve. You need to prepare 30,000 more. The loss of 30,000 here is to be bear by these four partners in their old profit sharing ratio. After this thing, I need to prepare partners capital account. Now understand them very carefully because the important part here, partners capital account. We need to prepare partners capital account now. We write partners capital account. Now there are four partners are there. There are four partners. We write particular Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari. Again we write particulars Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari. The credit side, this one is debit side. We write particulars Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari. Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari. Again write particulars Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari. I hope this thing is clear. Particulars capital account Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari. Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari. Okay. Now, what is the opening balance is given the question. Check the question. Opening balances. We write bar, balance brought down. Check the balance sheet. It's mentioned 4 lakh for Ram, 4,50,000 for Mohan, and for Sohan is given 2,50,000, and for Hari is mentioned 2 lakh. Okay. Next part is now check. They'll bear the loss of revaluation. Revaluation में loss होगा. Now they need to bear the loss on revaluation. So we write over here to revaluation account loss on debit side because they need to bear it. So revaluation loss, we already find out. Check the revaluation account how much Ram, Mohan, Sohan has to bear. 12,000 by Ram. Okay, 9,000 by Mohan, 6,000 by Sohan, 3,000 by Hari. Okay, one more entry we need to find goodwill. I hope it's clear. With goodwill. So means now it's an important part. So I need to make a space over here to understand that how we pass the entry. Now it's a working note. We already passed the entry regarding that Sohan capital account debit. Okay, but the entry you pass regarding goodwill adjusting entry, Hari capital account debit to Ram capital account to Mohan, to Ram to Mohan. Now check one more time what is the gaining ratio. You know that gaining ratio is sacrificing 3 by 10, 1 by 10. It's like gaining and sacrificing is same, 3 by 10, 1 by 10. When you pass the entry you find that 3 by 10. Sohan and Hari is gaining, Sohan is gained by 1 by 10 and Hari is gained by 3 by 10. Similarly, Ram is sacrificing 3 by 10 and Mohan is sacrificing 1 by 10. Now, we already done it. How we pass the entry? We say Sohan capital account 18,000. We write Hari capital account 54,000. We write Ram capital account 54,000. We already done it. Now why I am doing it again? We already done this. Now why I am doing this again? Now understand the term very carefully because it's an important part. Lot many boys, ठीक है, lot many students makes mistakes in that. यहीं पर गलतियाँ होती हैं. And then they say, sir, हमारा आंसर तो correct था, but I lose 1 marks in that, I lose 2 marks in that, because the boys the students cannot understand the one particular basic. Now check here. We pass the entry. Sohan capital account debit, Hari capital account debit to Ram to Mohan. Now Sohan is gaining 18,000 at the cost of Ram and Mohan. Sohan is gaining 18,000 at the cost of Ram and Mohan. Similarly, Hari is gaining at the cost of 50,000 at the cost 50. He is gaining 50,000 at the cost of Ram and Mohan. So what is the gain ratio? Now this 18,000 should be divided into 3:1, 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Similarly, this 54,000 should be divided into 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Why? Because the gaining ratio. Sohan is gaining at the cost of Ram and Mohan at the ratio of 3:1. Similarly, 1 by 2, 3 by 10. Similarly, Hari is gaining. This is Hari is gaining 3 by 10, but he is gaining 3 by 10 at the cost of other two partners. Similarly, Ram is losing his share at the cost of other two partners. Similarly, Mohan is losing his share at the cost of other two partners. So it means that this 18,000, we cannot write 18,000. From where we write 18,000? हमें जो 18,000 जिसने lose किया है, इसने lose किया at the cost of 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. So it means Sohan loses 13,500. We divide 3 by 4, 1 by 4. It comes to 13,500 and 4,500. 4,500. Similarly, Hari will lose this year. Hari will gain at the cost of 3 by 1. It's coming 40,500 and 13,500. Now, I hope you understand this term. What I am saying. 18,000. Sohan is losing his share. Sohan is gaining on 18,000 at the cost of whom? Ram and Mohan in the ratio 3:1. So Sohan will pay 13,500 to Ram and 4,500 to Mohan. Similarly, Hari will pay 40,500 to Ram. They will pay to Ram. He will pay to Mohan. Again, he will pay to Ram. He will pay to Mohan. This is an important part. Understand the concept. Sohan will pay 13,500 to Ram and Sohan will pay 13,500 to Ram and 4,500 to Mohan. Similarly, Hari will pay 40,500 to Ram and 13,500 to Mohan. Now, why this? I repeat once more time. Listen carefully. Because the 18,000 just Sohan ने gain किया है. Now Sohan gains at the cost of Ram and Mohan in the ratio of 3:1. So they will pay because the gaining ratio is 3:1. So he will pay whatever he gain. He will pay 18,000 rupees in the ratio 3:1. Similarly, Hari gains 54,000. He will pay his share to Ram and Mohan in the ratio 3:1. Now we divide it. Check the part. Now how we write it? So we write here by X capital account by Sohan capital account. Here space here. Sohan will pay Sohan capital account. Now Sohan is paying. Who is paying to whom? Ram and Mohan. Now Sohan share is 18,000. He will pay 13,500 to Ram and 4,500 to Mohan. Similarly, we write by Hari capital account. By Hari capital account, he will pay how much? 40,500 to Ram and 13,500 to Mohan. I hope this is clear. Similarly, adjacent entry, we write 2. Now who will pay? Because they have to R capital account. They has to pay to Ram capital account. How much they are paying? Sohan is paying 13,500. Sohan is paying 13,500 and Hari is paying 4,500. Similarly, to Mohan capital account, Mohan capital account, Hari is paying. Okay, so we write to Hari capital account. To Hari capital account, he is paying. How much he paying to Ram? He is paying Ram Hari 40,500 to. Or we write here. Here to Mohan. Right, to Sohan is paying to Mohan. Here I mention here 13,500, 40,500 by Hari, and just wait. To Ram capital account, we write 13,500, and Hari is paying 40,500. Sorry, Hari is paying 40,500. Here to Mohan. So to Mohan, 4,500 is paying by Sohan, and 13,500 is paid by Hari. Now check the question. I hope it's clear. Understand term. Now who's paying? We write here Sohan capital account. Now listen carefully. Sohan capital account. Sohan is debiting. Sohan is getting his capital will be debited because he has to pay 18,000. 13,500 to Ram, 4,500 to Mohan. So Sohan is paying 13,500 to Ram, 4,500 to Mohan. It means Sohan capital account is decreased because he paying 13,500 to Ram and 40,500 to Ram. Sohan is paying 13,500 to Ram and 4,500 to Mohan. Hari is paying 40,500 to Ram and 13,500 to Mohan. I hope it's clear. Understand term. I already divided. Now for this purpose I write here also. Ram is getting 40,500 from Hari and 13,500 from Sohan. Now check the part. Sohan capital 13,500 debited. Now this is the first step, important one. How we pass the treatment of goodwill in that case when two partners are gaining and two partners are sacrificing. I hope it's clear. By Sohan and Hari capital account. Next thing is, now find the balance. We need to rub this. Please note down this one so that I can rub this. Is the important part. Listen carefully. Sohan is gaining by 18,000. So he will pay to Ram and Mohan legally in the ratio of 3:1 because 1/10 and 3/10 is a gaining ratio. So he will pay 1/10 to Ram or 3/10 to Ram. Okay, and he will pay to Hari also. Similarly, Sohan will pay to Ram and Hari. Sohan will pay 13,500 and to Mohan he will pay 4,500. It's mean 18,000. Similarly, Hari will pay 40,500 to Ram, 13,500 to Mohan. Now question arises, sir, आप पूछोगे, sir ये आएगा कहाँ से 4,500? Divide this 54,000 into Gini ratio. The Gini ratio is 1/10 and 3/10. I hope it's clear. Okay. Next part. Next part is last part. They say that adjust the capital account of partner according to new proficiency ratio by opening current accounts. This is important point. They say by opening current account. Now making the small. Right. Do the total first. Do one thing. Do the total first so that. Total first. Okay. Check for Ram. Ram capital is 4 lakh plus 13,500 plus 40,500 is coming 4 lakh 54,000. Check the total. Is coming 4 lakh 54,000. Okay. For Mohan is coming 4 lakh 50 plus 4,500 plus 13,500 is coming 4 lakh 68,000. Okay, Sohan 2 lakh 50,000 here and Hari is coming 2 lakh. Now I'm making the balances over here only. Please understand the question. Please don't note down. Now here you understand the things. First I make the capital account, then you note down after this. I'm not rubbing it right now. So understand the term. So Ram is coming 4 lakh 54,000. Is coming 4 lakh 68,000. Is coming 2 lakh 50,000. Now it's just a balance I'm making here. Don't note down please. Now 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Now here we say here we have 4 partners. Ram. We say that we have 4 partners here. Okay, Ram. I'm writing here. Or Ram is given here. Mohan here. We write Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari. Okay. Now check the part. If you make the balance of this thing, 454 minus 12, 454 minus 12 is coming. Now check the question. 454 minus 12,000 is coming 4,42,000 for Ram. Now balance. I'm writing the balance outside, not inside. How get 454 minus 12? We get 442. Similarly, 468,000 minus 9,000, we get 4,59,000. Similarly, 2,50,000 minus, do it. We get Sohan capitalist, right? Ram, Mohan, I write Sohan here, and Hari here, so that you can able to understand. Hari capital 2,50,000 minus 19,500, 24,000, 14,000. Okay, so we write 20,000, 24,000 is coming. 2,26,000 for Sohan. 250 minus this, and for Hari 2 lakh minus 2 lakh minus all of them is coming 1,43,000. Okay. Now this part is here. This part is here. How we get? This is a balance we get. This we get the balance. Now read the question. Now again you read the question. Insert point bar. The question says that adjust the capital account of partners according to their new profit share ratio by opening current account. Now we need to adjust the partners capital account. How we adjust the partners capital? Add them. Need to add all this. Now if we add, it's 4,42,000, 4,59,000 plus 2,26,000 plus 1,43,000 is coming 12,70,000. The total is coming 12,70,000. Now this 12,70,000 divide into new ratio. This 12,70,000 divide into new ratio. What is the ratio of Ram in the new case? New ratio of Ram is 1/10. So it's coming 1,27,000. I hope it's clear. It's coming 1,27,000. Now for Hari, divide 1,27,000 into 2/10. It's coming 2,54,000. I'm writing for Mohan here. I'm writing for Mohan here is 2,54,000. So that we can say this with 2,54,000 1 2 3. And it's coming. Sorry, Mohan capital is given the question. 4,59,000. Okay. Divide 1,27,000 into Mohan ratio. Mohan share is 2/10. So it's coming 2,54,000. Third part is Sohan capital is given 3/10. So divide 1,27,000 into different ratio. Into different ratio is coming 3,81,000. And for Hari, it's coming 5,08,000. Hari's share is more. Now I hope it's clear. Divide 12,70,000 in the new ratio. You need to divide this 12,70,000 in the new ratio. It's coming 1,27,000, 2,54,000, 3,81,000 and 5,08,000. Now this is a new capital. They say it's a new capital because whatever the balance is come, divide into new ratio. The new capital is to be adjusted. It's written in the question. The new capital is to be adjusted in the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so we write here to balance CD the new capital 1,27,000 for Ram, 2,54,000 for Mohan, 3,81,000 for Sohan and 5,08,000 for Hari. Now wait. Question is not complete yet. When you do all this thing, you find the balances here. Or simple way. How can you find the balances? Because in the question they say that by opening current accounts, we need to open current account. Now here, if we check the question, you will get the answer. Okay, what the answer is? We need to open a current account. We say we need to open a current accounts. Now how we open the current account? Listen carefully. Now Ram has to bring 1,27,000. Ram को कितना कैपिटल आनी है? As per the new agreement, 1,27,000. How much he already bring? उसके पास already अपनी कैपिटल कितनी है? 4,42. उसको लाना कितना है 127. हाउ मच इज हैविंग राइट नाउ, उसके पास कितनी कैपिटल अभी 442. इट मींस हाउ मच ही इज हैविंग एक्स्ट्रा 4,42,000 minus 1,27,000 is coming 3,15,000. To mean this capital will refund to him, इसको वापस होगा. क्यों? Because he already bring more. उसको बोलता 127,000 लाने के लिए. How much he brings? He brings 4,42,000. तो उसको कितना पैसा वापस करेंगे हम? फर्म कितना वापस करेगी? तो इस कैपिटल will be debited because we are paying him. भाई you bring आप एक्स्ट्रा कैपिटल आ गए हो, हमें आपको लाना है 127. भाई you have already 4,42,000. आप हमें जो होता है 127 की as per the new agreement. तो to current account his capital will be debited by 3,50,000. उसको वापस करेंगे हम. We are paying back. It's a firm liability because firm has to pay back 3,15,000. Understand it? Now similarly you find with other person. Firm will pay 3,50,000 to Ram. Now for Mohan need to bring 2,50,000. How much is already bringing? 4,15,000. So minus subtract it. It's coming. When you minus all these things, coming 2,05,000. 2,05,000 means how? Mohan already capital is having 4,15,000. Mohan को लाना कितना है 254. It means वो कितना एक्स्ट्रा ला रखा है 2,05,000. भाई firm says भाई you already bring 4,15,000. But as per the agreement, we need only 254,000 from you. Means इसको 2,05,000 वापस होंगे. Again we write 2,05,000 here. Now similarly for Sohan. Now Sohan capital is 2,27,000. He need to bring 3,81,000. उसको लाना पड़ेगा. Why? As per new agreement, Sohan need to bring 3,81,000. But how much he is bringing? अभी कितना ला रहा है 2,27,000. तो how much he need more? इसको और लाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, he has to bring is an asset for the firm because he need to put in his capital. उसको फर्म को देना पड़ेगा as a capital कि भाई मैं कम लाया हूँ मुझे और देना है. तो minus is 2,27,000. Sorry, 2,26,000 minus 3,81,000 is need to bring 155,000 more. He need to bring 55,000 more. इनको वापस होगा. He need to bring 155,000. So we write here by current account of by Sohan current account. Sohan need to bring 1,55,000 right here because he need to increase his capital. So this will change. Now you understand that? It has become 3,55,000. It's coming 3 lakh. Check it. Okay, next is for Hari. Hari is having only 1,40,000 for 1,40,000. Hari के पास कितनी कैपिटल अभी 1,40,000. इसको कितना लाना है 5,08,000. तो how much he need to bring more? उसे कितना और लाना पड़ेगा? Again understand them. Hari के पास कितनी कैपिटल अभी 1,43,000. Hari need to bring how much 5,08,000. तो how much he needed more? He has to pay to the firm. उसको फर्म को पे करना पड़ेगा. How much it is? It's 3,65,000. So we write by Hari capital account 3,65,000. It's 565 now. I hope the question is clear. How we find? This one is most important part, adjustment of capital. Now look carefully. Adjustment of capital. Ram, Mohan, Son, Hari. Ram balance is coming 4,42,000. He has to bring, as per new agreement, he has to bring 127. It means that he already bring 3,15,000 extra. So he will refund to us. Firm will refund to him. By firm बोलेगी, by Ram आपको only you have to bring only 1,27,000 as per the new agreement. This is a new agreement. And this one is old. ये इनकी old capital है. तो राम की old capital थी 4,40,000 after deduction. हम जब minus किया था, his coming capital is coming 4,40,000, but he is to bring 127. तो it means उसको 3,15,000 वापस होगा. मोहन को 4,59,000 ला चुका है, but he need to bring as per new agreement 2,54,000. इसको 2,05,000 रुपए वापस होंगे. Here Sohan is bringing 2,27,000, but he need to bring as per new agreement 3,81,000. It means that he will bring, उसको और लाना पड़ेगा how much 155,000. Similarly he is bringing only 1,40,000, but इसको कितना आना है 5,08,000, so he need to bring 3,60,000. Now अब question राजे बाद the capital increases because they have to pay to the firm, उनको भी capital बढ़ानी है. As per new agreement, their new capital should be 5,08,000. For making 5,08,000, उनको कितना और लाना पड़ेगा 365. He has to bring 1,50,000. So understand that Ram current account is coming 3,50,000, Mohan current account is coming 2,05,000, Sohan current account on the credit side is coming 1,50,000, 50,000, Hari's 3,65,000. So this is the important part. Now, last part is balance sheet. The fourth part they say they need to prepare the balance sheet. Now, how we prepare the balance sheet? Balance sheet. Then balance sheet after adjustment. When you prepare balance sheet after adjustment, liability side, amount, assets, so is amount. Now first thing, making the liability side. First the first question is workman commission reserve. Now what is the workman commission reserve? Is 1,50,000 as per the question, check it. Workman commission fund is 1,50,000. Now Ram को कितना पैसा वापस करना है liability from firm? So Ram current account, firm will pay to Ram how much? Is the liability for the firm until they will not pay 3,15,000. We already done it. Mohan current account for Mohan, firm will pay how much? 2,05,000. Now what is the new capital of Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari? Now check the part. How much they need to bring capital? Ram, capital accounts, Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari. Ram need to bring how much? Check the question, we already bring. As per new agreement, he needs to bring 1,27,000. Okay, Mohan need to bring, check it again, 2,54,000. Check the working note, we are doing the capital account. Sohan need to bring 3,81,000. And as per new agreement, Mohan capital should be 5,08,000. As per new agreement, what is the new capital? Because they need to adjust the capital according to new profit sharing ratio. So Hari will be 5,08,000. The new capital of Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari is 1,27,000, 2,54,000 and 3,81,000 and 5,08,000. Now check the balance asset part. How much Sohan need to bring? Sohan current account is an asset for the firm because Sohan need to bring it. Sohan को लाना पड़ेगा in order to make his capital according to the new profit share ratio. So Sohan need to bring how much? 1,55,000. We already done it. And by Hari capital account, by Hari current account, sorry, because adjustments to be passed through current account. 3,55,000. Check again. How much Sohan needs to bring? Sohan needs to bring 3,65,000. 3,65,000. Now current assets given the question. Current assets are how much? Check the question, check the balance sheet part. 9 current assets 5,20,000 and the non-current asset, any fixed asset is given. Fixed assets is given 9 lakh. Now check if we balance sheet matching, our answer is correct. Now check the balance sheet part. Now do the total part of the balance sheet. It's coming 150 plus 315 plus 2 lakh 5 is coming 19,40,000 of liability side. Okay, now check the asset side. 10, 14, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 19 lakh. Yes, it's coming. 19,40,000. Now this how we solve the question. Now do the practice of the question. This one. Repeat this question again. Take it. Do it when Take the question in front of you and try to solve it. First, find the gaining and sacrificing. Then do the WCR part, working capital reserve. Then prepare revaluation account. And then important part is statement will how 54,000, 18,000 we will distribute to other partners. Impact is same, but you need to understand why, because every partner is gaining on the cost of other partner. It's not like this. Ram is gaining on the Mohan current account, on the Mohan capital. Oh, sorry, Ram is gaining on Hari, or Mohan is gaining on the Sohan part. No, because each and every partner is gained from the other partners. Now here we make the balance sheet. Now adjustment, here the adjustment part is given through current account. They say whenever partner the capital account to be adjusted through current account. But in part the capital account can be adjusted through cash account also. ऐसा नहीं है कि कैपिटल अकाउंट हमेशा करंट अकाउंट के थ्रू ही एडजस्ट होगा. इट कैन बी एडजस्टेड थ्रू कैपिटल अकाउंट ऑल्सो. तो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग, whether a capital adjustment should be done by opening current account or by cash account. If it's done by cash account, it will be decreased from cash. So instead of current account there, we write by cash account. Then this thing is not be entered in balance sheet. Then it will come in the cash account. If the adjustment capital is be done through cash account, then the cash account, the part of cash account which Ram, Mohan, so on, whatever the partner is bringing or they withdrawing is come under cash account. But whenever they say adjustment is to be done through current account, we will do like this. Whenever they say adjustment through current account. So we will do more question of practice regarding adjustment of capital. And then we start a new topic called admission of partner again. Now in case you find any difficulty, I am giving you a worksheet. Please submit to me. Okay, on my email ID which I already sent to you in my Google Classroom account. Now in case again you find any problem, please do write to me. Now till now we finished round about UT1 syllabus. Now prepare that, practice more and more question in order to understand the more and more concepts. Because when you practice, accountancy says that practice. You need to practice more question. If you cannot understand anything, please do write to me, because it's a good thing. The one who practice means he still confused वही होगा जो practice करेगा. And अभी confused होना is easy part, because easy for us, easy for you to solve your queries. Once you solve the queries, it's better for you, especially in board exam. So guys, take care, practice more and more question, and stay safe. Bye.